It's stronger than 100 fungicides. I spray it on cucumber leaves and powdery mildew disappears in a day. To start, pour 300 milliliters of warm water into a container. Add a tablespoon of garlic powder and mix well. Garlic has strong antibacterial and antifungal properties. Next, pour in 100 milliliters of milk and mix again. Milk contains proteins and enzymes that strengthen plants' natural defense mechanisms and also act as a preventive measure against fungal diseases. The next ingredient is baking soda. Add 1 tablespoon and mix well until it completely dissolves. Baking soda changes the pH of the leaf surface, making it difficult for many pathogens to develop. Now dilute the mixture by adding 600 milliliters of water to 200 milliliters of the elixir to get the right consistency. You can pour the remaining mixture into a jar for later use. Pour the prepared mixture into a spray bottle. Spray your cucumbers every 2 weeks to protect them from diseases and pests. This natural mixture will help you keep your plants healthy without using chemicals. Regular use will provide your cucumbers with the best protection. Powdery mildew and other diseases and pests will disappear and won't attack your crops.